Hi guys, so today is the live swatch video for the polishes that came in April's Meebox. We're starting up with this Model's Own polish. This is called Flilac. And as you can see, it's a very light lilac tone, as you would expect. It also contains lots of subtle purple glitter in it as well. I like the brush on this polish. It's got the slightly curved tipped bristles, so it makes it really easy to do a nice cuticle application. Polish 2 is by Leighton Denny and it's called Get Your Coat, and it is this turquoise colour. Polish 3 is a red by Floss Gloss and this is called Gangster Boo. The last polish in the box is by Mavala and simply called Black.